antibacterial natural cleanser and a pimple pack. Watch our complete video to have a clear guide for treating acne with natural ingredients.
Pimples. As we all know, many young crowd are suffering from this and they just search and apply any product or remedy which claims pimple cure. If you are such a seeker but couldn't find a better solution, this video is just for you. In this video, today we are going to give you a right guide, and at the end of this video, I'm going to make an Ayurvedic pimple pack to overcome pimples. So let's start. Like any other functions in your body, pimples also have a cycle. Every pimple goes through phases. But why are these stages important? Because when we are treating acne, understanding what's happening to your skin is really matters. In the first stage, you may notice some clogged pores called comedones. Then whiteheads. After oxidation process, it becomes a blackhead. In the second stage, these clogged pores get infected and red bulge that may be sometimes painful. These stages can develop into papules, pustules, nodules, and at the end, deep pus-filled bumps beneath the skin. We call them as cysts. In the end stage, the pimples get shrink and started to heal naturally within 1 or 2 weeks. Listen carefully. If you have 1 or 2 pimples in a month, that's totally okay. But if you feel it's more painful and it disturbs your day-to-day life, it should be a concern. According to Ayurveda, the main reason for these troublesome pimples are accumulation of toxic matters in your blood. We call them as ama. Most teenagers try to cure pimples by just applying an external products like soaps and ointment. But the important thing is which lies in your blood. If you couldn't adjust your lifestyle and your digestive tract, any product which claims a good results will not give you long-lasting effects. The foremost factor to accumulate these toxic matters in your blood is your careless and wrong food habits. As teens, most of them stay most of their time outside their home kitchen, maybe in their boarding places, hostels. So they eat so much street foods containing too much oil, salt and sugar, which is a leading cause for pitta dosha activation, and it helps to imbalance your immune system and your hormone system. Second common factor is stress. Exam stresses, separation anxiety, and bullying by peer groups and nighttime awakening highly affect for some teens to increase their stress levels. It alters their hormone system and it increases the oil production in their skin, making skin more greasy and dirty. Bathing as frequent as you can will help you to drop down your stress levels. Practice Pranayama practices daily. Shitali, Shitkari Pranayama and Chandra Anuloma Viloma Pranayama are ideal to cool down your body. Practice this simple pranayama practice 5 to 6 minutes every morning. Some teens do a terrible mistake. They just pop and squeeze the pimple. Most common instrument they use are their fingernails. You might think you are not doing any harm, but this highly increase the risk of scarring and spreading these acne-prone bacteria into the other areas which contaminate your whole face. No matter how much you're busy, you have to do a morning and evening cleansing routine. Use a cleanser. Perhaps sometimes you have to use a deep cleanser, but select a cleanser or a deep cleanser ideal for your skin type. Now it's time to make our pimple pack. Before you apply this pimple pack, you have to cleanse your face nicely. Let's make an antibacterial natural cleanser. Let's start. I use a 1 cup of rose water, 2 tablespoons full of apple cider vinegar and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix these combinations very well. With using a cotton swab, cleanse all your face, dirt and excess oil. Now we are going to make our overnight pimple pack. We need 2 tablespoonfuls of Multani Mitti powder and 1 teaspoon of Clove powder. And I add 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil and I put 1 egg white. Don't beat it, just mix with using a teaspoon. Apply our Ayurvedic pimple pack 2 to 3 times per week. My dear teens, just follow the simple tips that I have shared you today. If you feel that you need to ask or clarify something, please put a comment to my comment section. Stay happy, stay healthy. Good luck.